there are various options and settings for the ePhone4. And to access those, you'll want to go to your menu, which is the center key in the display. And here you have a variety of options. You have help, phone preferences, and when you go into phone preferences, you have things like the display sleep timer, so meaning if you want the display to turn off at any time, very similar to your cell phone. You can set that here if you want to use military time. You can disable a call waiting tone. And if you're on a call and you have another call coming in, there's a tone that plays. For some people, that's very annoying. Well, in here, you can disable that tone. You have comfort noise. Depending on how you like audio to come out of your phone, sometimes the SIP phones can be so deathly quiet outside of the audio that you're speaking that it's uncomfortable for people. So you can enable a little bit of comfort noise to be purposely put in the phone so it gives you the comfort that you're actually connected to a call. Then you have programmable feature keys, which we go over in a different video. You have auto answer, and when auto answer is enabled, that means that when somebody calls you from another extension, your phone won't even ring. The audio will immediately come out of your phone. Most people don't like that, which is why it's disabled by default. And then you have at the very top, you have About Phone. And when you select that, it has your version number and then the serial number of the phone, which is also on a label on the back. And that is some of your various options. Then you have call forward options. Call forward is specific to call forward busy, answer, call forward busy, call forward no answer, and call forward always, which is discussed in a different video. Then you have network status. This is a read-only list. It just gives you some IT information. Usually you would ever want to look at this information is when maybe you're having a problem with the phone and your IT or ESI customer service needs to know what IP address you have or how this is set up. Then you have network settings, which we're not going to go into because that is actually password protected for a reason. And so you need a special admin password to get into that. And again, it has to do with the network of your phone. And then you have utilities, which you can do a factory reset or reboot. You should never do a factory reset unless someone from ESI customer specifically tells you to do so. Because once you do a factory reset, it's going to erase a lot of information on your phone. It'll erase all your call history, all your feature keys. One thing it will not erase is your voicemails. Those are kept separate on the system so that they're protected. Any of the phone settings that you had, like auto answer or the backlight timer, all those get reset and you'll have to redo them. Reboot just power cycles your phone. And so that one's pretty harmless. There's a lot of times where customer service, again, if you're having a specific problem, you may just need to reboot your phone to get it active again. Another way to reboot your phone, by the way, is the Ethernet cord that runs out of the back of the phone here. Just unplug it and plug it back in. That's the same thing as reboot. And those are some of your various options.